Hi, this is Mark. Welcome back to another film by me and my lovely assistant, Lucky. Lucky and I are both a little bit out of breath right now because we're running around the beautiful Ashbridge Park, which sits in the area of Bryn Mawr, Rosemont. And I had mentioned in that video that I had just come from an open house. And I thought I should talk a little bit more about that. It wasn't a regular open house, which you might be familiar with. It was what's called a broker's open. It was a beautiful property in Bryn Mawr, hosted by Deirdre Quinn from Keller Williams Center City, from our office. And a broker's open is an open house that the agent will set up for other agents and brokers. You might be familiar with the normal open house. This is a little bit different. It's for people in the business in order to generate that buzz. When a house is just hitting the market, you want to get the other agents and brokers in there to see it in person because they're looking at lots and lots and lots of properties online. And there are lots of them to peruse through and swipe and swipe and swipe. This gets them out there, generates buzz, and gets them thinking about it in terms of how that house might appeal to their buyer clients. So that's something that is a really useful tool in getting that house sold quickly and for more money by getting a broader market appeal. If you're putting your house on the market, talk to your realtor about providing that service. It's something that you really can't do on your own. You got to get a realtor to help you with that because it is really a useful tool. All right, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed another video from me and Lucky. We'll talk to you again. In the meantime, have a great day.